take a look at this problem. We want to find the value of each of the 6 trig functions for the angle whose terminal side passes through a given point. We got -4, -2. And there we go. So -4, -2. Now when they give us a point, they're giving us x and y. So this is x and this is y. For our formulas, we need r. So r is going to equal the square root of x squared plus y squared. Well, x is -4, so we're going to have -4 squared plus y, which is -2 squared. -4 squared is 16, and -2 squared gives us 4. So then 16 plus 4 gives us 20. Now you always simplify your radicals at any step. 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. And remember, we're looking for a pair of somethings. Here's a pair of 2's, so they're going to come out in front as a single 2. So we've got r is equal to 2 square root of 5. Okay, so now for our formulas. Sine is equal to y over r. Y is -2, and r is 2 square root of 5. 2 is going to cancel, and that gives us -1 over the square root of 5. And we can't have a square root down in the denominator, so we'll multiply top and bottom by the square root of 5. So -1 times square root of 5 is -square root of 5, and square root of 5 times square root of 5 gives us 5. Now, while I'm here, cosecant is going to be this fraction flipped. And if you pick the right place, it'll save you work. I'm going to pick this fraction to flip, take reciprocal of. So this becomes square root of 5 over -1, which is square root of 5. Now secant. Secant is equal to x over r. X was -4, and r is 2 square root of 5. 4 and 2 are both divisible by 2, so that gives me -2 over 1 square root of 5, or the square root of 5. Can't have a square root of 5 down there, so I'll multiply top and bottom by the square root of 5. So that gives us -2 square root of 5 over square root of 5 times square root of 5 is 5. And, okay, that's not secant, that should be cosine. Going senile. Let's try it again. Cosine is x over r. Now secant is cosine flipped. And I'll pick the appropriate place. I'll pick right here. So we'll have the square root of 5 over -2, or square root of 5 over 2. Tangent. Tangent is equal to y over x. Y is -2, and x is -4. Now negative divided by negative is positive, so negatives cancel, and 2/4 reduces to 1/2. Now cotangent is reciprocal of tangent. So we're going to take this 1 over 2 and flip it, reciprocal of it, becomes 2 over 1, or simply 2. And any of these have square roots in them, like the first one, you would enter it all uppercase. So square root of 5, parentheses around the 5, divided by 5. And beyond that, really nothing special. You just enter these pretty much as you see them, following this guideline.